let's settle down. It's almost time for the show.
Mom!
It doesn't fit.
Well, Timmy.
It doesn't matter if it doesn't fit. We have to get married.
Okay, if anyone needs me, I'll be inside preparing the cake. Have fun!
Hello, children. I'm Mr. Danny, and this is my special friend
Cosmo.
Say hi to the nice kids.
Cosmo.
Sure thing! Just tell me where the nice kids are, cause all I see is a bunch
Ugly, hideous
rats!
Now, Dooley.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues.
Dang it, Costco! Or else you'll end up like this chump!
That sucked!
What was that?
I said that sucked. You're funny.
Sucked?
Now, Dooley.
You can react. I'm not stupid. I'm
28.
12 what? Donuts away from
so fast.
What did you just say?
Don't speak English? Let me say it in a language you'll better understand. Uh-oh! Earthquake!
Maybe that's enough, Dooley.
You don't know who you're messing with.
Sure I do!
Please stop it! Mom!
No, we really don't need to get your mother out here.
Yeah, leave her out of this! She's
A fat bitch.
to her!
Wait! No, please!
Oh, I'm gone.
What is all the racket out here?
Oh my God!
By the way, lady, we only take cash!
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.